Hi, I'm Hap Fatzinger, Director of the North Carolina Aquariums.
And I'm Joanna Zazzali, Director of the North Carolina Aquarium at Fort Fisher. Welcome to our incredible aquarium.
Thanks to your support, we're bringing big changes to Fort Fisher, the first major renovation here in over 20 years. This renovation will include additional educational classrooms and exhibits, a rooftop sky deck, interactive touch habitats, and a new sand tiger shark habitat. We're also enhancing Jeanette's Pier and adding new touch habitats at both Pine Knoll Shores and Roanoke Island, making each visit even more unforgettable.
These upgrades will create more hands-on learning, immersive experiences, bigger spaces, and new ways for visitors to connect with marine life.
We're excited about what's ahead, and we couldn't do it without you.
Thank you to the team at the North Carolina Aquariums, our generous donors, and to the more than 1.4 million visitors who come to our sites each year. Your investment is making a difference and will continue to make an impact for generations to come.